Hey, what is up everybody? Original Dobo, and today we're talking AirPods one more time. So it's been about a week or so since I've had these, and I've already lost these like 3 times. It's been horrendous. So before I had these bad boys, and I would throw them in my gym bag, and I never had to worry about where they were because they would get tangled in everything, and yeah. So for $6, this little thing is amazing. You just simply open up your AirPod, slide it in, ba-bam, ba-bam, and I can clip it to the outside of my gym bag. I'm in love. There's a little flap down here. It also protects the case from getting broken or damaged or scratched up or scuffed, and it just works. And I just clip it every single time and it opens, doesn't affect any of the usage. So AirPod case, $6. Who would have thought? An absolute lifesaver. Anyways, this is just a really fast Friday video. I like that. Let's do that. Fast Fridays. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you loved it, make sure you hit that sub button. Anyways, guys, I will see you next time.